Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 4a 5G with a broken display, and I think it's not really cracked, but it needs a new one. Let's go! So first thing we're gonna do is go to the front display and pry it from the sides, slowly of course, and David is showing us the damage on this Google Pixel 4a 5G. By the looks of it, I think it's really not the cracks that is the main concern, but the display itself might be dead, so it's not showing us anything. And we'll test if our theory is correct. I'm gonna remove the display slowly. Even if it's possibly broken, we're still gonna take our time and take good care of it. We remove this tape, and this is the connector for the display. There's a clip. Need to pry it off. It's a plastic clip. So modern Google Pixel smartphones have screws on their clips. This one doesn't have one. Next up, since the connector or port is open, we're gonna test our replacement display to see if it's working. We're gonna push it in, make sure it's seated properly, and turn the smartphone on. Showing us something, that's a Google logo and the Google Pixel icon. So far so good. You have your tempered glass here. David is just measuring it, and it's good. Here in the shop, if we have extra tempered glass, we just give it away for free. That's how cool we are. We're gonna shut it down and continue with our proper reassembly. So nothing more to remove. I believe I've said this many times before, Google Pixel smartphones are the best when it comes to screen replacements. Well, as of their latest release, that is. It might change in the future, but for now, they're the best because you just remove the screen, remove the connector, get a new one, and slap that in. But as you can see here, it's not really straightforward. David is doing a lot of prep work, cleaning the sides from old adhesive or possibly shards of glass if it's super cracked. But this one is easy. Just gonna put our own liquid glue, sufficient amount. We're gonna avoid the front camera, not to contaminate the lens. I'm gonna go around and make sure we have enough. Next thing, we're gonna reattach the connector, and with the clip and the tape this time, because this is going to be the last time we'll see the internal components on this Google Pixel 4a. Press it in and align the display. We're going to start from the bottom and then work our way up to the corner where the camera sits. Make sure the display is seated over its housing. I turn this on, put some pressure on it, not too much. This is the before and after, not much. The old one is just scratched up from daily use, but it's dead. So it's not cracked, but it's not showing us anything. This one is good. And as promised, we're gonna show you how we install free tempered glass on your Google Pixel 4a. This is actually the basic life hack. If you don't want a broken display, just get a tempered glass. It will reduce the chances of your display actually going to be broken when you drop your smartphone or you step on it, because it's a very rigid structure. We're gonna put rubber bands on top all over and around the device to let the glue cure and dry. We're gonna remove it It's not gonna work with rubber bands on, but it's gonna take a few hours. So thanks for joining, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.